In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history on YouTube. So doing this is very easy. So you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then once you've done that, you will be able to see your watch history right here. But if you want to view and delete your search history, go to settings in the top right hand corner again. And then you can go manage all history. It's going to be the fifth one down and click on that. Now once you're here, you are going to be able to manage your search history. It will be mixed in with your watch history as well. So if you have something recent that you want to delete, you can just go ahead and delete it. So you can see here I've searched for how to find OKX transaction. If you click on the X and click delete, it will delete that search term. Now if you want to delete a batch of search terms, or if you want to delete from a specific date, you can go ahead and click on the delete button in the top right hand corner, and you can delete from today, from a custom range, or from all time. You can also use the search tool to search for a specific keyword if that's what you need to do as well. One more option you've got in the manage all history section, if you swipe over to controls, you will then be able to uncheck YouTube from keeping your search history. So if you go ahead and uncheck include your searches on YouTube, your YouTube search history will no longer be saved. So those are some options. I hope that video helped you out.